In early March, a tropical depression formed off the central coast of Mozambique. INGC monitored the situation from the early stages and deployed its multi-sector response team on the 7th of March prior to the cyclone making landfall. Cyclone Idai impacted many towns and villages in Sofala, Nyambane, Zambezia, Tete, and Manica provinces. As a result, over 1 million people have been affected, 600 people reported dead, and thousands were injured. Those who survived often lost family members, entire communities, their homes, and belongings. Among the first responders to the biggest cyclone in southern Africa in decades was the INGC Drone team. We deployed to assess the extent of the damage, direct help where it was needed most, and evaluate where to relocate the affected population to safety. In the last month, INGC has coordinated the response of humanitarian clusters and organizations. Through deployment of over 20 drones from partners, INGC was able to ensure efficient and safe operations, reaching the affected communities faster. We have used drones to conduct search and rescue for people trapped by the flood waters, assess infrastructure damage as well as logistic obstacles, and map out flooded areas to determine risk of malaria and cholera. Thanks to this technology, we were able to directly save people and also help dozens of organizations deliver life-saving assistance to thousands of people. 1 month into this emergency, drones have helped to lay the grounds for the humanitarian operations that will continue for the next few months. As we go from the emergency relief operations to the recovery phase, INGC will continue to use innovations to support the relief efforts and ensure that we reach everyone in need.